Welcome back to Dragons and Slayers. Today we're going to take this beast here and we're going to do a little upgrade. We're going to add some more RAM, 32 gig of 320 megahertz crosshair Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. And we're also going to add on a Phanteks vertical GPU mount that I got off Amazon, and mostly how this stuff works. So I'm going to cut this intro quite short because you've already seen the build, but you're probably looking forward to that nice B-roll when I'm done. So let's just get into this work. Sorry if I have to cut out sound, speed it up, because it's going to be loud and noisy. Alright guys, let's do it. You see nothing. 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 Ugh. And there you go, guys. We got her together. It looks really nice. Seems sturdy. I hate the fact that we haven't particularly touching the front rad, but we'll let you know an update on temps. But other than that, guys, bye boom, bada bang. Ain't nothing but thing, and it looks freaking beautiful. So, as usual, guys, it's all the time we have for this episode. I hope you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon down below so you stay up to date on our new and upcoming content. And until next time, guys, have a good one. And sorry this was a mess. See you later. Oh, crap, guys, I forgot something. Forgot the ram. So excited from the side mount, I forgot to put the ram in. Figure out we can get this open. Yeah, cut it. Yep, gotta cut it. There you go, guys. Get her out real quick. Hop her in. Oh, get a ram. Get a beautiful ram. Oh, look at these sticks. Beautiful. That's probably should have you know, in the install stuff, you probably should wait sometimes. And installing ram's a good one. If you want to go that way, and when slot, right, click, again, and line it up, play. There, 4 sticks of 16 gig, 3200 megahertz Crosshair Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. We don't have to worry about RAM problems anymore. Alright, guys, there you go. Sorry about that. See you later. Bye.